Hello, my name is Jessica Hernandez, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a cardiorespiratory submaximal fitness test. Some materials you'll be needing is an indoor or outdoor track, a pen or pencil, a calculator, and a stopwatch. If necessary, you can also have a heart rate monitor with you. Prior to starting the 1-mile jogging test, the client should be in the correct attire and should warm up for about 2 to 3 minutes as opposed to the 1-mile walking test, which requires 5 to 10 minutes of warm-up. My client will now be performing the 1-mile jogging test. For this test, the client should range between the ages of 18 to 29. You should ensure that your client is jogging at a moderate pace, and the elapsed time should not be more than 8 minutes for males and 9 minutes for females. My client is now performing the 1-mile walking test. For this test, your client should range between the ages of 18 to 69 years old. This test is mainly for people who are sedentary, and during the 1-mile walking test, ensure that your client is walking at a fast pace. After giving your client their time, you should immediately take their heart rate. Using the palpation technique, their heart rate should be taken on the radial or carotid artery. Here I am demonstrating how to take heart rate on the carotid artery. Make sure that your client is facing the opposite direction and locate the carotid artery on your client's neck. Now that your client has finished the following assessments, you are now going to use the following equations to find their VO2 max. As you can see here, the 1-mile jogging test requires you to plug in the body weight by kilograms, time by minutes, and heart rate by beats per minute. The 1-mile walking equation requires you to plug in the body weight by pounds, the age by years, the time by minutes, and the heart rate by beats per minute. When plugging in the time, you should be sure to divide the number of seconds by 60. For example, if we had 10 minutes and 30 seconds, it would now be 10.5. Also need to input gender. For this, you will substitute 1 for males and 0 for females. Starting with my jogging client, I went ahead and converted her weight in pounds to kilograms. For the equation, I put her weight in kilograms, which is 52.27. I put in her heart rate, which was 130, her gender, which was 0, and her time, which was 9.5. Remember, I divided the number of seconds by 60 to get her time. After inputting everything into the equation, I calculated for her VO2 max, which was 53.22. Now, with my walking client, we did not have to convert to kilograms. So as you can see here, I input her weight by pounds, which was 120, her age being 20, her gender being 0, her time being 15.75, and her heart rate being 120. After inputting everything into the equation, I calculated for her VO2 max, which was 45.62.